All right, we're off to get Rustin first. Then we're gonna go pick up Hayden for the first uncle-nephew trip. I hope they're excited. They might be kind of freaked out because I don't know, I might be the crazy uncle. All set to go. Just trouble, your trouble. Finally made it to our first campsite, potentially. Gonna see if we have some space to set up a tent. Found our site right behind me. I'm just moving the boat around for a better spot to unload with the boys. Oh, nice. Enough for later. Alright, I'm down by the water now. This is eating size.
No.
Let me know if you find anything cool over there. You got it? Good work, guys. If it's taking line, it might be big. Is it still taking line out? Tighten that thing on the front of the reel. Nice work. Nice. Get him in the boat. If you need help bringing him. Oh, yeah, Rustin. That's a big pike. Yes. You got off? Oh, that's all right. Catch him again. You might bite it. We're on our way to go help Hayden untangle his line. He's got one bass about 10 times now. Rustin almost got a giant pike, but it got off almost, thank goodness, because we don't have a net. And we don't have really great pliers. We're back fishing and we're gonna cook round 2 of dinner. Potatoes, the best kind, over the fire. Just about to take the drone up. The boys are off fishing, so I'm gonna see if I can surprise them with the drone right now. It's pretty out. So hopefully we'll get some good shots. I know. I should have made them tough it out, but the bugs were so bad this night. I let them stay in the tent and served them dinner in the tent. They had enough bugs inside the tent anyway.
They're eating us.
Wanted to leave the boys to their own devices as much as possible. I had my dinner out by the fire, but soon enough they came out wearing these wonky bug nets their moms gave them. You're like a ghost. They're getting a little better. They're still pretty relentless though.
I have a bug net probably that can cover the tent. Bug net.
Do you think it can cover you though?
Did you just call Hayden fat?
No. Bugs were so bad, boys were running around looking like I lit them on fire. We decided to go to bed early so we could get up and get some fishing in and hopefully catch some breakfast. Try to go to sleep anyway. My bug net was barely keeping the bugs out. Eaten alive.
This rain jacket is gonna be very hot. I don't know what they sound like.
Like a rattling snake.
Rattle.